Hello friends, today we are going to learn a new topic in our today's class. Okay, and the name of the topic is data handling. Have you come across this term earlier? Data handling. So as the name suggests, data. Data means what? It means information, right? So we will be handling the information that is provided to us. Okay, so the information can be in various terms. For example, if I take the class proportion, okay, say for example I take girls and boys, okay, and I have also given them like marks. Say for example, girls of class 3A have scored 50% in maths, whereas boys have scored 60. Then in 3B, say it is 40, 70. Say for 3C, it is 60, 40. Okay? In 3D, it is 30, 70. Okay? So now, how did I come to this data, children? Is it like I individually asked each and every person like what is your mark and then I have divided? No. So what I have done is I have basically collected all the marks of the children, and then based on that I have developed a statistics, or I have gathered the information. According to that I have segregated this data. Okay. So data handling can be done in two forms. One is called as bar diagram, okay, and the another one is called as pictogram. Okay, so now the bar diagram, as the name suggests, like you will be having two lines. This line is called as your y axis, this is your x axis, and then based on that you will be having some data given. Okay, so here it is a graph which is plotted, and this will tell you the number. So say for example, if here I take as marks, and here I take as students. Okay, and this if I say like 3A, 3B, 3C and 3D. So now this is generally the marks which the students of third standard have scored. So the way when it is represented in this bar form, where you have the various length of bar, this is called as my bar diagram. Now pictogram is something which is represented in the form of pictures. So as the name suggests, pictogram, it is nothing but pictures. So here data is represented in the form of picture. Say for example, if I draw something like this, so it will talk about flowers. If I draw something like this, it will talk about the balloons or the birthday parties. If I draw something like this, it will talk about the pen. Or if I draw something like this, so it will talk about some toys, right? So this is basically called as my pictogram. So when the data is small, when I have small number with me, it is easy for me to represent the diagram by showing how many people have done so and so things, or how many persons have opted for that particular given choice. But then if my number is huge, say if my number is very large in hundreds or in thousands, do you think it is possible for me to draw so many pictures? No. So in those cases, it will be given as note that, say for example, one flower represents 10 people. Okay, or one balloon represents say 100 likes or colors. Okay. So, based on this particular information, we need to find out the value. So, in this case, one flower represents 10 people. So, it is easy, 10, 20, 30. So, which means the data given is for 30 and not 3. Okay. Similarly, here it says that one balloon is representing 100 colors like. So, which means here 100, 200, 300. Okay. Did you understand the difference between a bar diagram and a pictogram? Yes. So, now in our today's chapter, we will be given the questions based on either bar diagram or pictogram. So, seeing the question, you need to study, and then whatever questions are asked, seeing the diagram, we need to answer them parallelly. So, are you clear with this concept, children? Shall we go ahead and solve the sums?